Assalamualaikum everyone. In this video I will show you how you can create this 3D perspective text with reflection. We will change the color of the background into black. Now we will type our text. Here I will type lake. Change the font into Onten. Increase the size. Now we will download it as a PNG with a transparent background. Upload it to Canva. Now we will go to the second page and we will search the lake. I will choose this image and we will go to uploads and choose this. Now we will go to apps and search for transform image. Find it here. So we will open this transform image and this will transform your text into any shape. So here is the option to choose file. It's upload the file from your gallery or from your document. Here is the preview of your text. Now we will just drag the text to adjust the perspective. I will put it here and just drag it like this. You can do whatever you want. Now we will add it to our design. So here is the text. I will just decrease the size a little bit. Now we will go to elements and search for shadow. We choose this one. Increase the transparency of the shadow and put it to the layer. Go to the position and send it to back. I will decrease the transparency little more. Increase the size of it. Now we will duplicate the text and we will flip it. We will flip this vertical. We just rotate it and bring it here. Now again we will go to apps and we will find here, or you can also search here liquify. Now we will go to melt and we will set the melt amount and we will set the scale also to fit to our text. Now just save it. Decrease the transparency of this text and just drag it a little bit. You can add this design into your poster, flyers and a post. I hope you like this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.